Good day, classmates and friends. My name is John Kayaban, and I, along with my group mates in Section D, will be discussing Module 6, which tackles all things that you need to know about the types or steps and process in social mobilization. This is part 2 of 9 of our report. Hani Wong previously discussed the social mobilization continuum, an illustration of social groups in partnership. The objectives of this report are as follows. Number one is to know why partnerships matter in social mobilization. Number two is to know the quote and unquote bundle of benefits to see what works well in partnership. Number three is to have a quick recap on the definition of social mobilization for us to better identify and partner with the right organizations. And then number four is to know the three different types of social mobilization according to Rafael Obregon and Sylvia Weisbord. Okay, so why have partnership? Partnerships are an instrument to tap diverse resources and technical, financial, human, and physical infrastructure to fill gaps in program implementation. Partnerships can be viewed as a means of maximizing benefits. The incentives for working in a partnership are not limited to monetary benefits. They include specific skills derived from the learning experience, greater collective capacity to respond to the problem, and increased quality of solutions. There are various resources available through partnerships, which include the following. Number one, technical resources through technical agencies, academic institutions, and professional bodies located within countries. Number two, public and private resources, including NGOs and other civil society organizations, healthcare providers, and community volunteers. Number three, financial resources, which can be harnessed through development partners, corporations, and business houses. Number four, public and private physical infrastructure, including for profit and non-profit organizations, health facilities, and community based groups. Now, let's know and see what works well in partnership. In successful partnerships, several key factors contribute to effective collaboration and the achievement of shared goals. These elements are pivotal in fostering a conducive environment for cooperation and mutual growth. Mutual respect and recognition. All partners come with different strengths and varied experiences. It is essential that in partnership, this diversity is recognized and respected so that everyone feels included. Shared decision making leads to greater understanding and commitment. Commitment, on the other hand, has many dimensions and is related to the extent to which participating organizations have endorsed or adopted the common mission or carried out activities in the name of partnership. The key to success is to identify bona fide partners who could also be respected leaders in the effort. Partnerships are more likely to be durable when the commitment of individual members is strong. The next one would be sharing information with the partners. Communication is a binding force for the partnership. It is essential that partnership activities are regularly shared with all partners and stakeholders. To accomplish this task, there is a need to do the following things. One is to have a focal point responsible for regular communication to which all partners have a good relationship. Number two is to share information with all partners and the program through the following methods: newsletters, emails, meetings, and other communication tools. The third one is to have frequent discussions or meetings with partners and other stakeholders. All important decisions should be consensus based, and it is important to involve all stakeholders in discussions before arriving at decisions. Number four is to have clarity of roles and responsibilities. Partners have their own core strengths, and responsibilities within the partnership can be defined accordingly. It is also important to have defined governance structures that help manage the partnership effectively and efficiently. Clear delineation of roles and responsibilities is vital within partnerships. Leveraging individual strengths allow partners to contribute effectively towards common objectives. Well-defined governance structures further streamline partnership management, ensuring efficient coordination and accountability. The fifth one is to have forward thinking. Successful partnerships exhibit foresight, preparing not only for present challenges, but also anticipating future needs. A proactive approach to partnership structure and management enables adaptation to evolving circumstances, fostering resilience and sustainability. In essence, the effectiveness of partnerships is underpinned by mutual respect, transparent communication, inclusive decision making, role clarity, and forward thinking strategies. Embracing these principles enhances collaboration and maximizes the impact of collective efforts towards shared goals. Let's now move on to the next topic, where we will have a recap on the definition of social mobilization to better identify and partner with the right organizations. According to the UNICEF Social Behavior Change, or SBC, social mobilization can be defined as coordinated actions and processes designed to engage and involve all relevant segments of society in order to create an enabling environment and effect positive behavior and social change. It is an integrative process where stakeholders are stimulated to become active participants in social change, using diverse strategies to meet shared goals. Social mobilization seeks to involve many sectors of society, creating networks and coalition. It considers community members as key change actors and not as beneficiaries, provides means to collectively advocate for social change, and stimulates long term systemic changes. In that sense, social mobilization can build broad concern for an issue that was not previously recognized as important. For example, Condom Day in Nepal, which empowered people to talk and act about a sensitive topic, with the goals of changing behavior, enabling people to act on an important issue, and or helping people understand their rights. On to the last topic. There are three different types of social mobilization according to Rafael Obregon and Silvio Weisbord. In a nutshell, there are different types of social mobilization. According to Obregon and Weisbord, social mobilization can be pragmatic, which involves community members to help achieve predetermined goals. Second one would be the activist social mobilization, which aims at advocating towards the decision making powers to obtain tangible results. And the last one is the hybrid social mobilization, which combines aspects of both previous categories. All three categories follow the common principles of empowerment, equity, sustainability, integration, collaboration, participation, action, and bottom up approach. Here are our references. Please feel free to read them when you have extra time. Again, good day, classmates and friends. This concludes part 2 of 9 of our report. Watch out for Geraldine Rigor as she tackles part 3 of 9, where we will identify the key steps to building partnerships. Thank you for listening to our report. Maraming salamat. Let's now proceed to the discussion forum questions.